In today's video, we're exploring the Conrad Koh Samui. One big favor before we dive in is to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you like content like this. The Conrad is one of the top luxury brands in the Hilton Group, right behind the Waldorf Astoria and LXR properties. This is one of our favorite resorts in Koh Samui. It's a tropical escape off the Gulf of Thailand and it's located on the island's southwestern tip. To get to the Conrad, you can arrange transportation with the hotel or arrange a Grab, which is the equivalent to Uber. Since we were arriving from Vanabelle, we called a Grab. When we arrived, we were greeted by the hotel team and a welcome drink. They gave us an overview of the resort and benefits that came with Diamond status, like complimentary breakfast and room upgrades when available. The room wasn't ready yet, so we hung out at the library. So they set up a snack bar for Diamond members in the library, and since we happen to be the only Diamond members on the property at the moment, I'm gonna say this is just for us. There was a nice variety of fresh juices, coffee, and snacks. Seb loved the guava juice so much that he polished off a few bottles by himself.
Mandy said I need to be an adult and pour it into the cup.
Yes, be an adult and pour it into a cup. The resort is divided into two sections, the villa side and the residence side. You should expect to be placed in a villa when you book the standard room. Each villa has a private terrace, a 10-meter infinity pool, spa-like bathroom, and amazing panoramic views. Since we had Hilton Diamond status and we think occupancy was high during the time since there was a large tour group, and we lucked out and got an operational upgrade to the 3 king bedrooms ocean view pool villa. This villa usually retails for $2,100 per night. If you book a stay at the Conrad, I would not expect this kind of upgrade unless you book something on the residence side. In all of our years of traveling, this is the most impressive upgrade we've ever received while booking a stay using free night certificates. Hello! Welcome to the Conrad Koh Samui. It's a little rainy right now, so we're gonna take a tour of our room. This is actually an insane upgrade. This is a 3-bedroom apartment with an infinity pool. So here is the main corridor and the living room with incredible views. I really think this was meant for 6 people just because they did lay out 6 plates. So there's that. There is a dining area and also a kitchen. Tons of Nespresso pods. This is perfect for anyone who loves coffee. So there are definitely more than 4 pods here. Mini bar, guest bathroom, and storage are also back here as well. As a side note, there is also a guest bathroom here. All right, let's head downstairs. This is the downstairs area. This is the first guest room, and I would say this guest room alone is bigger than most hotel rooms in Asia. It wouldn't even have this back area if you were to go to a regular standard hotel. I would consider this guest room alone like one huge suite. All right, let's check out the back. This is the study area where you can do some work, and a large walk-in closet with a safe and ironing board, double vanity, and one of my favorite things about Conrad is all of their bathroom amenities are by Shanghai Tang, so it's pretty high quality stuff. So there's a resting area, TV, bathtub, double shower. This shower is huge, by the way. And you can fit a few people in here. And then bathrooms back here as well. All right, let's move on to the next room. The second guest room is a bit smaller, and all of the guest rooms also have easy access to the infinity pool that's outside. So this one is not as big as the room we were previously in. I would say that this guest room is pretty representative of a standard hotel room size. So bed, work desk, and then bathroom is back here. We have a single bathtub, and the shower head is also a solo one as well, so it's not a double. All right, and then this is the giant corridor that leads to the master bedroom. I feel like this is larger than most people's houses, even in different cities. So San Francisco, this would be considered a mansion. Yeah, this is pretty insane property. circular king-size bed. And they also created some swan towel art for us. Really cute. And then main access to the infinity pool. It is raining outside or else I would take a walk around. We'll do that later. And one nice touch is that there is a monogrammed M for Mandy. So since we are Diamond members and they knew we were coming, they decided to personalize our pillowcases. Here's another study area. So walk-in closet to store luggage. This is a huge walk-in closet and a vanity. The toilet is over here. There's a large shower that also has double shower heads. And then this is the first time I've received personalized slippers from any hotel. They said we could keep these, so definitely taking these home with me. Then also the bathrobe has an M on it. For the master bath, there is a large bathtub, double vanity, access to the main infinity pool, and then there's also a private infinity pool on the side in case you didn't want to hang out with everyone else if you were having guests over. So this is the private infinity pool. It's a lot smaller, obstructed view, so you're not going to get a nice beach view here. The main reason why it's hidden is most likely for privacy. And then there is a shower here as well to rinse off. It's pretty cool. That's huge. What is that?
I think it's like a fake bug where it looks like a leaf. Poke it. I just want to see what it is.
Dude, I'm not poking it. You poke it.
No.
No, leave it alone. Okay, we're closing the door so no bugs come in. This is another cool feature of the apartment is there is a circular stairwell that leads upstairs to the main patio area. I mean, how many hotel suites have you stayed in that have a winding staircase? It's pretty crazy. And we are back outside. So this is a cool patio area where you can enjoy some drinks and take in the view. And if you look across, that's where we started. So that wraps up the tour of the 3-bedroom suite at the Conrad Koh Samui. See you guys later.
There's a leaf bug on your back.
Really?
Side, yeah, he's like huge. So, what are you doing?
Where? Where?
Don't come near me.
Where?
He's on top of your head right now. What are you doing? I'm not touching him.
One thing we like to do while visiting Conrad's is collecting mascots. This property has many mascots, including sea turtles. The resort has a private beach with 100 meters of soft white sand. It was raining on one of the days, so we just hung out by the pool. There's a nice infinity pool where you can enjoy a lunch or have a drink at the Azure bar. Seb loves a good coconut.
I like coconuts, so. Looks like Mandy's going to stay in here and enjoy her complimentary drinks and just relax with the view and probably watch me floundering around.
Flounder, but you're Sebastian.
What? That's rude.
Haha, get it? Flounder around, but you're Sebastian. You can also borrow equipment for water activities like paddleboards, kayaks, and snorkel gear. The fitness center has a wide variety of equipment, and you can sign up for daily fitness classes like yoga, Thai boxing, and volleyball. The resort is pretty big, so you can call a buggy to take you anywhere on property. Iris Farm is a Conrad's major sustainable initiative. The farm produces 3,000 kilos of food each month. They tend to fruits, vegetables, flowers, mushrooms, and more. Geese, ducks, and chickens roam here freely. If you're interested, they have daily tours of the farm. For dinner, we went to John, the resort's crown jewel. It has sweeping views of the Gulf and the tropical landscape. The restaurant seats up to 24 guests, so be sure to make a reservation if it's on your list. The amuse-bouche was a Thai dumpling with chicken. We ordered the seafood pad Thai, signature Wagyu steak, and a crispy pork dish. The pad Thai was impressive with large portions of seafood. The Wagyu steak was super flavorful and topped with a peanut sauce. The crispy pork dish was also pretty good. The Conrad Koh Samui is a popular destination for events and weddings. On one of the days, there was a night market and fire dancers. Remember how I mentioned the operational upgrade? This was a private event, and a large tour group had rented the space out. We enjoyed the fire show from above. Koh Lounge has amazing sunset views and live music on select nights. It's definitely a vibe. We enjoyed some pina coladas here. Good morning, everyone. This is day 2 at Koh Samui Conrad, and it is raining. So if you take a look outside, it's been raining all night, which is kind of a bummer just because we're unable to get the sunset shot. So there wasn't really a sunset because all the clouds covered it. And it's a bit gloomy today, but there is a 50% chance that it'll stop raining in the afternoon. So fingers crossed for that. We are pretty high up. I think we are one of the highest villas on the resort property. We have to call a buggy to get anywhere. So that's what we're gonna do. Call a buggy and head over to breakfast. Let's go. Breakfast is served at Zest and it features a buffet of Asian and Western cuisine, plus lots of made-to-order items. My favorites were the noodle station along with the fresh juice and smoothie bar. There is also a pancake and waffle bar, omelet station, and dim sum station. On the a la carte menu, there was a variety of made-to-order eggs in various styles like egg benedict, omelets, and frittatas. The onsen egg was one of our favorites. It's a slow-cooked egg in soy sauce with spring onion and seaweed, served chilled. Breakfast was included for us since we had Hilton Diamond status through the American Express Hilton Aspire card. On that note, if you want to learn more about hotel cards, I'll leave a link down in the description box down below. Using those links really helps the channel, so thank you in advance. We are leaving the Conrad Koh Samui and we chartered an airport shuttle just because it was only a $10 difference from calling it Grab. So for the convenience and for all the security, might as well just use the hotel shuttle. So yeah, it's a pretty big van that we have all to ourselves. So yeah, pretty smooth ride. Overall, we really enjoyed our stay here and we'd happily visit again. Service was amazing and we didn't feel the need to leave the property since the resort and the villas were so impressive. There's also a wide variety of food at various price points. John is worth checking out for dinner. If you have Hilton free night certificates or points, I think this is a great redemption option. If you made this far in the video, leave a crab emoji in the comments below and I'll try to like and respond. My question to you is, what are your thoughts on the Conrad Koh Samui? And is Thailand on your list to visit? Let me and everyone else know in the comments down below. See you in the next one.